YouTube Mobile, how to sign out. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can sign out from YouTube Mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sign out from YouTube Mobile, it is actually quite simple to do so. Go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the YouTube application here. Now if you were on iOS, what you had was you would see the profile icon from the top right, and when you tap the profile icon from the top right, you would be able to see, and where if you tap the switch account section, you would be able to find the option called use YouTube signed out. But as you can see, on Android we don't have that option. On Android, what we have to do is we have to remove the YouTube, aka your Google account, from your device itself in order to sign out of YouTube, because since YouTube is also a Google application, if your Google account is logged in on your Android phone, your YouTube app will automatically sign you into that Google account. So to remove your Google account from your Android phone, you have to open the settings application and then simply look for the option called accounts and backup. From there on, go to manage accounts, and here you'll find the Google account you've added. Tap on it, tap the remove account option, and the Google account will get removed from your YouTube app. But the downside is that it will also remove your Google account from all the other Google apps, since you have removed the Google account from the device itself. So I hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more queries, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.